Welcome to Intelligent Control Group. In this video, we are going to discuss about keyboard shortcuts for PowerPoint slideshow. Mostly we use PowerPoint presentation for our presentation, where we use PowerPoint slideshow mode during our presentation. There are some shortcut keys which will help you to present your work more effectively. First command, Control L. When you press Control L, the cursor changed into laser mode so that you can easily point the particular content in your presentation. The second important command, Control I. When you press Control I, the cursor changed into highlighter mode so that you can highlight any content in your presentation. The next one is Control P. We call it as inking mode, so that is pen mode. When you press Control P, then you can directly write on your presentation. Then next important shortcut, E. When you press E, the entire thing that you have written on your pen mode will be erased. Suppose if you want to erase only a particular element of things that you have written on your presentation, then use the shortcut key Control E. This is called selective erase mode, which will erase only the selected component through your mouse click. The next shortcut key, Control M, which is nothing but hide inking. Suppose you don't want to erase everything that you have written as a inking, but you want to hide that option, then you can press Control M. Let us see all those shortcuts in presentation. Let us consider a presentation like this. First, I am going to explain the laser mode. For that, you have to press a shortcut key of Control plus L. So let us consider the cursor here. So I am going to press Control L. Now you see that your cursor changed into laser mode. Now you can pinpoint at any place. Say for example, forward path gain here. This is a P1 P2 value. Then find the transfer function of a given system like this. The next important command is highlighter. For that, press Control I in your keyboard. So Control I. Now you can highlight. Say I'm going to highlight the forward path. This is my forward path. Next I am going to highlight the second forward path like this. So this is called highlighter. You can highlight any place like this. Next I am going to explain pen mode. Just press Control P. Now you can write anything on your presentation. Suppose here I am going to draw a box on find the transfer function of a given system. If you want to write something 1, 2, 3, you can write using pen mode. For that you have to press Control P. Next I am going to erase few contents on this presentation. For that I have to press Control E. Now you select the portion which you want to erase, so that will be erased. Control E, selective erase mode. Suppose you want to erase entire thing, whatever you have written, you have to press E. So say for example, this is what I have written here. So press E, so that will be erased. So this is the next important command. Okay, again I will write few things here. Right, okay, you can write something like this. Okay, press E, everything will be erased.